You know? You know? Patak-patak lang talaga yung laman eh. Ito yung kulay dilaw na to. Yun. Ayan, malabo sa camera. Ayan, ito. Kulay dilaw. Ito, konti na to. No. Wayu pa. Pyrite. It's not a pyrite. Pingy Gold Host said hi. Macador Miguel, hi. Hi, sir. Ayan, dudugo kasi yung ilong ko dito, Ate Pitch, pag ako nag-English eh. Ayan, pinapakita ko yung dito sa part na to, ito yung may ginto. Ito, yung dilaw. Ate Pitch, ikaw na lang mag-explain diyan, sabihin mo diyan sa comment. Sagutin mo yung ano diyan. Ito oh. You know. Ayan, kulay dilaw. Oh, di ba? That is what we call gold. Gold on the stone. That is it. This is it. Panis. Oh. Panis. The color yellow. Oh. This is the gold. You know the gold? Yun. Panis. Sabihin mo by rock style host. I do smash the stone to find gold. Yan oh. This is what I'm looking for. Gold from the stone.